I've been using my Crumpler Mantra backpack for more than 4 years now, and this bag is indestructible. So I've decided to upgrade even though it's still going strong. This is my new Bellroy Transit Workpack, the 20 liters. This is my new Google Pixel 9 Pro. I can put it inside this mini pouch, and then this mini pouch can go into the dedicated compartment of the Bellroy Transit Workpack. It has all these very well thought out compartments, which I'll go through each one of them later in the video. Apart from the pockets, the bag is also designed for carrying comfort. See this part of the bag? The foam of the bag is kind of sewed in a way that it bulges up. Well, in a good way. This forms a very nice lumbar support when the bag gets very heavy. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. Let me make some space on my desk. And thanks for being here with me while I transfer all my everyday carry gear from my old Crumpler backpack to my new Bellroy backpack. I'm going to unpack everything in my old bag onto the table and then find the right pocket to keep each one of them in my new Bellroy Transit Workpack. While I'm going through that, I'll briefly mention all the everyday carry items that I bring with me in my bag. The links to those items are in the description down below in case you feel like getting one of them for yourself. Use my affiliate link to support my channel. Thanks. Oh, and this Soundcore headphone is one of my new acquisition. Heroclip back hook. Yeah, this is a very nifty gadget. And finally, my keychain, or should I say key organizer, because it's no longer a chain. Whenever I buy a backpack, I always like to make sure they have this, the strap holder to prevent the strap from dangling. This Mantra backpack, as with all my other backpacks, have lots of good functional pockets. Now, one design issue I dislike about Crumpler is the use of Velcros. This is the usual pocket I keep my portable mouse, and I find the Velcro is always in the way for me to retrieve the mouse. And even when it's opened already, the rough part always scrape my fingers. This is my card holder wallet, and normally I keep my card holder wallet in this inner zipper pocket. There is also a key holder which I never use. Inside the main compartment, there is the slot for a tablet and another zipper pocket. It's very convenient to keep flat items like my Soundcore H30i headset. And then there is also a laptop compartment with its opening by the side of the Crumpler bag. So how is my Bellroy Transit Workpack better than my Crumpler Mantra backpack? For a start, like I mentioned previously, this lumbar support is really comfortable. The carrying straps are surprisingly thin, but it's exceptionally comfortable. It's one of the best straps that I've used ever in a backpack. And yay, it also has the strap holder to prevent the strap from dangling. Remember my strict criteria? Okay, now onto the side pockets. There are two large water bottle side pockets, which are kind of hidden. From the outside, it seems like there are no water bottle pockets, but in fact, there are two, one on each side. Now onto the top. This is the best part I like about this bag, and the reason I bought this bag. There is a huge laptop compartment, and there is also this hidden compartment designed to hold a small tech pouch. Bellroy promotes that their Bellroy Tech Kit pouch fits very well in this compartment. However, I found another even better pouch, which I'll cover later. And then there is this quick access pocket, which we can store items that we want to access and retrieve quickly. Now with this quick access pocket and the mini pouch pocket, this is the space they occupy. Yeah, they bulge into the main compartment, which I feel is a good design because the space on top of the main compartment is rarely used. The main things we load into the main compartment usually falls to the bottom. So these pockets are designed to make good use of those spaces. The same applies to the two side water bottle pockets. they bulge into the main compartment. And finally, there is this pocket in the front of the bag. Even though it's only a front pocket, it's very well designed inside. Okay, let's test out the water bottle. This is my LocknLock Sports Handy Water Bottle. I bought a new exact same model after using the other old one for more than 10 years. See how fast I can open and shut the lid without any unscrewing or pressing of any buttons. And look at this. Once I shut it, it won't leak at all. Now, do you think this tall 700ml water bottle can fit into the hidden pocket of the Bellroy Transit Workpack? The answer is yes, but there is a bit of learning curve. We kind of have to nudge and stuff the water bottle over and behind the edge of the bag. And once we get it in, the water bottle is hidden. No one will know we have a water bottle in the bag. And like I had shown earlier, the pocket actually bulged into the main compartment. Okay, up next is the laptop compartment. It's smooth and very well cushioned. The pocket suspends the laptop, and so the laptop doesn't reach the bottom of the bag, preventing it from hitting the bottom when we put our bag down on the floor. Time for my favorite nifty little handy pouch. This is the Forclaz Travel Organizer wallet. It's very versatile. The buckle has a safety button, and the strap is completely removable and can be stowed away. All the compartments are very well designed. It even has a dedicated pen slot at the bottom of the pouch. It has 3 compartments, which I think I'm going to keep my most essential items like my phone, wallet, car keys, earbuds, and so on into this pouch. My phone is the Google Pixel 9 Pro. It's 6.3 inches. It's a small phone, that's why there are still lots of space to accommodate a bigger phone like an iPhone or maybe the Samsung Galaxy Ultra. This is my BYD Seal car key, and this little USB key is my Yubico YubiKey. It's the most secure way of providing that second verification or that multi-factor authentication to all my important online and banking accounts. I always carry one pair of earbuds with me all the time, as in one of my essential items. This is the Soundpeats GoFree2. It's a nice open earbuds that works really well. The earbuds case is a little bit bulky though. Up next is my key organizer by Lockdown. This key organizer makes my key so neat and organized, and it doesn't jingle or dangle everywhere. It also has a clip by the side, so we can clip it to the back pocket or something. See how nice and neat this pouch is. I have all my essentials in this mini pouch, and if I want to leave my backpack in my car, for example, and head off to a coffee shop or something, I can just grab this mini pouch from my Bellroy backpack. And while this mini pouch is in the backpack, the pockets are still very accessible. I can still access and get my keys or my phone out of the mini pouch, and put it back to the mini pouch, zip it up, and zip up my backpack. This is the best part I like about my whole entire setup. And if I want to, I can hook my keys on the keychain hook of the Bellroy backpack. I think this pocket is also good for my power bank. This is my good old fast charging power bank by Anker. Okay, up next is my quick access items I retrieved frequently. So, my portable mouse and my second pair of earbuds. I throw them into the quick access pocket on top. And this is my SanDisk dual drive, the Lux aluminum version. I can connect to any device with its dual USB-C and USB-A ports. And this is my card holder wallet, the slim one from Velkit. One press on the side spring at the bottom pots all the cards up for me to pick and choose the one I want. It's nice and compact. They come with the larger version that holds cash too. I don't carry cash with me anymore, so this slim card holder is good enough for me. And I think this is pretty much the limit of this quick access pocket can hold. This pair of headphones are compact and affordable, and it has so many good features. This is the Soundcore H30i. All my headphones are bulky over-the-ear headphones, except this one is an on-ear headphones. It folds so compact that I can easily slip it into the stretchy pocket of the main compartment. Unlike my other earphones, always take up space in the main compartment. And this is my Nike windbreaker next. How should I fold this? I think I will just stuff it in. Now notice there are still lots of space in the main compartment. Okay, time for the next pocket that I like very much. This is the outer pocket of the backpack. There is a reason why it's opening sideways. There are 2 pen slots, one for a pen and maybe the other one for a stylus. And then there is this very well designed sleeve for us to park our mobile phone inside the pocket. See how easy I can slot in my phone. And I know my phone is not going anywhere because it will tilt itself into the sleeve because of gravity. And this is the reason why it's opening sideways. When we swing our bag to our front, the outer pocket is right there. And yes, our phone is also right inside the sleeve for us to retrieve. Like this video if you find it useful so it can spread and be useful to a lot more people. Thanks. This is a self-winding USB cable by Magtame. It has magnets all along the side, so it coils itself up neatly. I think all cables should be made like this. So convenient. And this is my Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag 2. Now, to be really honest, it doesn't work very well, so don't bother buying this. I already have bought this, so I'll just throw it in my bag in case one day I lose my backpack. Now this next gadget is more interesting. Have you seen this before? This gadget is a hook for the common water bottle we can get from the shops. It fits majority of the common water bottle neck, and it is very secure once we clip onto it. Speaking of clipping, this is the Heroclip, another one of my favorite everyday carry gadget. This Heroclip hook is so handy. When we cannot find a place or seat to put our bag at the coffee shop or food court, we can simply hook it to the side of any dining table. It can hold up to 28 kilos, more than enough for my backpack, fully loaded. Everything is balanced on one point. It's quite an amazing design. Use my affiliate link to get this Heroclip in the description. It comes in all different sizes. Okay, hopefully most of you are still watching because this is the best part of my Bellroy Transit Workpack that I'm going to talk about. Imagine you are commuting, sitting on a bus or on the metro train or the narrow economy seat of the airplane. This quick access pocket is right there for us to take things in and out. And not just the quick access pocket. I can easily access my front pocket on the side zipper, take out my phone and put it into my mini pouch. Imagine doing all this in a confined space, for example, economic seat of an airplane. Comment down below, watch till the end, so others will watch till this part and get this useful tip. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. I have lots of such similar packing ideas because I'm really picky when it comes to choosing my tag and my bags. I'm not sure if you can see, but this is the lumbar support I mentioned earlier. And the strap is really comfortable, even though it's thin. All the gear mentioned in this video is on this Amazon page. By clicking through and buying, I get to earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thanks for supporting my channel, and feel free to reach out and ask me any questions using the contacts below. I'll see you in the next video.